Daryl. I knew that.
What's that saying?
What?
Measured twice, cut once?
I didn't measure once, let alone twice. Okay. Let's get a couple boards up. Okay, be good for that end. Now I just got to do the other side. And I'm going to put finished boards across here, so.
Said you have tool belts.
Yeah, I know, but then I would know where it all is. I like probably cut that too short. Oh, Daryl, I knew that.
What's that saying?
What?
Measured twice, cut once?
I didn't measure once, let alone twice. One more in here, if I had one. Can you grab me a screwdriver?
Yeah, I bet you if you had a tool belt, you'd have one.
Oh, I know. I know.
Hey now, I wanna take you to my mama's house and show you what she's cooking. Take you to my daddy's house and show you what he's smoking. Take you to my siblings too and show you all the things we do for you. Yeah, now come and ride, baby. Come and take a ride. Tell me that you're gonna ride. Come and ride with me. Hey, now take a ride.
All right, I went ahead and got some rough outline of a box built in here on the one side. I kind of wanted to get the box in before I put the back in. That way I can bring my tractor in with dirt before I closed it all off. So I just got some 2x10s that I had and blocked it in. I'll probably have to put a couple stakes on the ground. I got one here, but I have to put some stakes on the ground here because that way the dirt won't push this out as much. And I'm also going to put some protection on the outside there, some metal or something like that. That way the dirt's not all up against the poles and all that, as well as on the inside of here. But anyway, so that's what I got so far, and now I think I'm going to probably put it over here. I'm going to build a small raised area bed for that way some different stuff, and then of course across here I'll go ahead and put in a full-size bed, and then it'll be 3-foot bed all along that side except for back here. I'll do a raised one. I'll do a 3-foot bed in the center, wide, and then I have the 3-foot bed here. I didn't go all the way to the front to this area because that's where I'm going to install a wood stove if I need to. If I want to, I'm not sure. That way in the winter time I can prolong the grow in here as well. So that's where I'm at. So I'm gonna see what I have to do a raised bed, and that'll be the next thing I do.
Ride, baby, come and take a ride. Come and take a ride with me. Hey, I wanna take you down 85 Dracos in the backseat, watching how we bust and have them running like a track meet. Take you down 20, riding racing in the 7 lane. Hey, I wanna take you
the legs for the box.
places you ain't never been. Take you downtown, cause you know I like to get it in. Paint the town red, me and you doing what we do. It's true. Now come and take a ride.
Let's head on up to the garage.
Baby, ride. Come and take a ride with me.
Now, what I need is cut some off of that. There ain't no dang way. I thought it was 3 foot. That's what I was thinking. That's freaking 4 foot 3 inches. I'm gonna have to cut 4 foot. It'll be up here. Well, let me turn it over and see. Tammy won't be able to reach it. I don't know what I was thinking. The whole thing I wanted 3 foot 3 inches. I cut the legs 3 foot 3 inches. Good Lord. She won't be able to reach that. Let me see what it looks like standing up. Don't hit my arm. Oh yeah. A little tall. Just to let you all know, don't waste your time or money on these small, I don't know what amps they are, these small DeWalt batteries. These 5 amp ones work. You can barely cut 2 2x4s in half with one of these before they die, and they were new. I have like 4 of these. But for a circular saw, they won't work. For a saw, they won't work. A screw gun, they will work for a little while. Perfect for me. I don't know about her. I can always put a board down there and this could be used as a shelf to store some stuff. That's an idea. But alright, this will work out good for a plant box. The only thing is I don't like boxes. I mean, I'm going to drill a bunch of holes in here, but and actually I can protect the sides with some like old vinyl tile, like linoleum maybe. On the sides I don't want to put anything in there but bad. It means we're planting plants in there, but drill a bunch of holes in the bottom. But these boxes, that's the thing, these floors will rot out. It's just a matter of time. They might not rot out. You might get a season 2 maybe. A little paint work here real quick. Got some old paint. It's like brown. I think it's stain actually.
Keep me closer. Don't need closure. 'Cause I don't want it to end. Yeah. I know it's time to move on. I know it's time to move ahead. I know it's time to move on. I know it's time to move ahead.
I'm thinking that'll be good. That's what I'm thinking. Man, I gotta walk away from this thing. I'll be hitting spots.